What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Walmart and I want to do a cute little like room decor, home decor, back to the dorm room sort of video. I'm seeing so many cute little colors. I'm seeing this super pretty like sea green. I'm seeing this peachy pink. I'm seeing black and silver and gold, but no, really, I'm mostly seeing this color and this color right here. Like these two are definitely the faves. You guys, these are $6.88 LED no bulb to replace ever light bulbs. And yeah, you guys, it does plug into the wall. It's just a little desk lamp. I love the idea of never, ever, ever having to replace a bulb. That's definitely amazing. But yeah, you guys, let's take a look at some of these items over here. I'm kind of just in love with these colors right here. Everything looks so cozy. You guys, this is just $19.96, and it's a super cute like little footrest. And I'm really, really loving this one. This one is also $19.96. And then we have this beautiful peachy one. And this is what the bottom looks like. Super, super peachy and pretty. It looks very glam. It has a nice sheen to it. I really like it. And then of course we have some matching blankets. We have this super soft plush blanket. I love gray for fall so much. It's not really an exact match. I just wanted to show you guys that. But this is a twin size. So the twin size is $10.46. So if you guys come over here and see different prices, it's because of the size. Now this one is what? Is this one also a twin? Yes, this one is also a twin. But we have a full / queen for $13.46, and it's really heavy. And then we also have that in gray and in this super pretty peachy. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's so pretty. It matches a little bit better than the gray one did. Again, those are $13.46. And then I saw a king somewhere. Where did it go? I think the kings are going to be $13.46 also, you guys. I swear I just saw a king. I don't know, you guys. It's here somewhere. I know they have king, and it's probably going to be the same price as the full / queen. They also have some really pretty pillows. I really, really love this one. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and pretty. And then we have this pretty one here in cream. It's so nice. It's not double-sided though, unfortunately. And then we have this pretty one here. Now you guys, this one in comparison to this one, this is a little more pinky. Let's just walk over here and see if it coordinates. And this looks more peachy in comparison. This pink is so pretty. It's not an exact match for the blanket though, but you guys know these are all like probably from different brands. But again, I'm loving the pinky peach, the gray and the cream. And then over here we have some sheets. Again, the pinky peach. We have navy. I don't know if this one is supposed to be here, but it's really cute. I don't think it is. It looks like the full sheets are $13.44, and it comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 standard queen pillowcases. It says full. Now twin is going to be $8.44. And then queen is going to be $16.94. And do we have a king? Let's see. I'm looking down here, you guys, and I don't think we have anything beyond a queen. I'm just seeing queen for $16.94. We have some ruched comforters that look really pretty. They're $14.97. I think the rouging looks really pretty, really glam. We have the purple the peachy pink, and ooh, look at this color, you guys. This color is pretty. This is a solid reversible comforter. I thought it was going to be ruched, but it's not. And then we also have the gray black combo. Okay, so these ones are $21.47 for the full/queen. The twin is $14.97. Ooh, look at the rouging, you guys. Do you see the rouging? Let me pull this down so you can see it up close. Look at that. Look at that rouging. I really like that. And then we have this style for twin. That's $14.97 and $21.47 for the full/queen. Look what we have over here, you guys. We have a lot of coordinating colors over here. $3.97 bath towels, also in the green. Ooh, the purple is pretty, but I don't know if this is supposed to be here. Ooh, this is nice. The purple is so pretty. Does it match? Not quite, but it's still really pretty. $3.97. These towels are 100% cotton, extra absorbent, low lint, and they're 30 by 54 inches. We also have it in gray. And then the hand towels are ranging from $197 to $297. I don't know if that's right, you guys. I think all the hand towels, I'm a little confused. $197, $297. And then we have some washcloths here. I think we have some things out of place. So sorry, you guys. It's a little bit out of control over there. And again, you guys, more storage bins. They're calling these flex bins. 2 of them for $3.97. Also in the purple and the green. And we have the mini flex bins for $3.97. These are really cute. You can organize your desk or your makeup or your washi tape or whatever you may have. Ooh, pen and gear. This is so pretty. I really like that purple. $3.97. Ooh, and the blue. The navy is really nice. And these feel kind of like they really give, like they're squishy. Like if you need to shove them in a drawer, they would give a little bit. You know, they would accommodate whatever space you need them in. Again, you guys, those are $3.97. I really love this purple. And the purple next to the green is just so pretty. And then look at these. These are the woven metallic tassel storage bins. Super fancy by Better Homes and Gardens. Do they come with a lid? I don't think they do. Or do they? Use with our BHG cube organizers. They are $9.96, and I believe you get just one. They also have the pink, and they have the tan. They have the faux leather. Wow, look at that one. They have this one. These are the textured velvet bins, and they're super silky. These are also $9.96, and they have the gray. Another gray one down here, a super pretty blue, and a faux leather black. Wow. Those are kind of pricey, but they look like they would really last. This is a 2-inch gel infused memory foam mattress topper for $39. Aldi has one that is, I believe, an 8-inch gel infused topper for about $100. So if you're wanting something a little thicker, you guys, 2 inches really isn't that much. Now this is the $39 price for the twin. If you guys need a full, it's $49, and if you guys need a queen, it's $59. I really should have paid attention to the one in Aldi. It was down the aisle where they have all the cool stuff. You guys know the aisle. I really wasn't paying attention. I want to say it was a queen, but I'm not sure. Again, the one at Aldi is 8 inches, and it's like $99. These are $59, and this is just a mattress topper. Last but not least, you guys, we have some more organizational bins and garbage cans and laundry baskets. These are so cute up here. These are just 98 cents. I really like those. Those would be perfect for pens, bathroom supplies, makeup brushes, whatever. I really like those. Those are definitely new this year. And then, are these really 98 cents? No way. 98 cents? It says for the caddies. These look too cute to be 98 cents. Okay, you guys, it says they're 98 cents. I guess we have to believe it, right? 98 cents for the caddies. 98 cents for the cute little garbage cans. And 98 cents, you guys, for the laundry baskets. 98 cents. If you guys need something a little bigger and sturdier, these are by Sterilite, and they are much, much bigger. As you guys can see, they're $7.44, also in gray and in white. That's the big gray one right there. And then if you like the smushy mushy stand-up ones, I really love these. They're also $7.44. And these are just $12.88. I bought one of these, you guys. I've been using them in my laundry area in my basement, and I love it so, so much. If I take out a shirt from the washer that I don't want to go in the dryer, right to the rack it goes on the hanger, or if there's something I'm taking out of the dryer and I want it to hang up in the closet, it hops right on the hanger and goes on the rack until I can take it upstairs. But I love mine, you guys. It's taller than you think, it's bigger than you think, and I'm really happy with it. And yes, it is on wheels. And then they also have the little expandable shoe racks down here. I think these items would be perfect for college. Right here, you basically have your own closet. Now, it's not going to hold a whole lot, but this pole is really long. So say, for example, you have something longer like a sweatshirt or pair of jeans that you want to hang out to wear for the next day. This is the area that you can hang it in. This area tends to be a little bit short, but I am really pleased with it. And again, it's just $12.88. You guys, I totally forgot to look over here to see if we had any other things for back to school, but I'm pretty much just seeing like $20 Bissell 3-in-1 vacs. They're actually $19.86. Some 3-head floor lamps for $13.67. So, you know, this might be like first apartment sort of stuff. We also have some mirrors for $24.48. They're pretty big. They're 23 by 28. Super nice. An oil-less, like an air fryer for $39.88 by Farberware. And a super affordable and basic mainstays cookware set. This is just $14.94. They also have it in this color. It's really cute. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the new dorm room decor, home decor, room decor sort of things. I feel like it's really giving me dorm room vibes. Forgot to show you guys these hangers, but it's 18 hangers for $197. Had to throw that in. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to go over here to the back to school area. And since you guys have been wanting to see more for back to school, I am going to film another video. Be sure you hit that little button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.